In this video, we'll explore PHP comments, which are essential for documenting your code. We will cover single-line, multi-line, and documentation comments, along with best practices for writing effective comments. Single-line comments are used for adding quick notes and brief explanations to your code. There are two ways to write single-line comments. Use either double / or the hash symbol. Anything written after these symbols on a single line will be treated as a comment. Comments are ignored by the PHP interpreter. For example, $name equals John, followed by / inline comment, means that $name variable is assigned the value John, and the rest of the line is a comment. Similarly, the line hashtag alternative single line comment uses a hash to start the comment. Multi-line comments are used for more detailed descriptions and blocks of text. They are useful when you need to write longer explanations that span multiple lines. Multi-line comments begin with a / followed by an asterisk, and end with an asterisk followed by a /. For example, / this is a multi-line comment. It can span multiple lines. Perfect for longer explanations */ allows you to write comprehensive notes. As you can see, comments can be placed before, after, or in the middle of code. Documentation comments are used for professional code documentation, typically following the PHP doc format. These comments are written within a / and */ block, and can include tags to describe function parameters, return values, and other important information. For instance, / calculate user total score * at perm int $user ID at perm array $score array * at return float total score *. The @perm tag is used to document the parameters of a function, and the @return tag is used to document the return value of a function. These types of comments can be parsed by documentation generation tools to create API documentation. When writing comments, there are several best practices to keep in mind. Always explain why the code is doing something, rather than just stating what it is doing. Keep comments concise and easy to understand. Update comments whenever you make changes to the code. Use proper grammar and spelling to ensure clarity. Avoid stating the obvious. Do not leave outdated comments in the code. Avoid over-commenting simple code. Refrain from using offensive language in comments. In summary, PHP supports three main types of comments. Single-line comments using / or hashtag are for quick notes. Multi-line comments using / are for detailed explanations. Documentation comments using / are for professional PHP doc format. By using comments effectively, you can greatly improve the readability and maintainability of your code. Thank you, and get ready to enhance your PHP code documentation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.